The Cederberg mountain area is a magnificent unspoiled wilderness only 200 kilometers north of Cape Town. It is here that the indigenous Asperlatus linearis, or Rooibos plant, grows in its natural state. In the heart of this spectacular landscape is Clanwilliam, a country village that is the home of the South African Rooibos industry. Here, there is a company that has been processing and marketing Rooibos for more than 100 years. A proudly South African company, which is the international market leader and preferred supplier of Rooibos to the tea industry since 1954. This company is Rooibos Limited. Rooibos Limited has a contracted farmer base of more than 200 farmers, ensuring that there is always a consistent supply of the highest quality product. Rooibos seeds are planted in nurseries during February and March. Ploughing and preparation of soil for planting takes place during the winter months. The Rooibos seedlings are transplanted from seed beds into plantation during July and August. After 18 months, the first crop is harvested. Harvesting takes place from January to April and is done either manually using sickles or more recently mechanically. The harvested Rooibos is bound into sheaves for transportation to the processing yard. Here the green Rooibos plant is cut to an even length, bruised and then left in low heaps to ferment after watering and aeration. After fermentation, Rooibos is spread on large drying yards to dry in the hot African sun. It is finally collected by sophisticated vacuum machines and delivered to the factory for further processing and storage. To maintain a consistently high quality product, Rooibos Limited has invested heavily in a state-of-the-art processing plant and conducts strict quality control. Before storage, the Rooibos lots are numbered for identification according to date, origin and specific crop. Rooibos is sorted and graded using the following criteria: cut length, color, flavor and aroma. This guarantees a uniform standard and the highest quality across all grades. After screening and blending, Rooibos is purified by special steam pasteurization and drying equipment. The finished Rooibos is packed in paper bags and then weighed by electronic scales. The bags are automatically palletized and stretch-wrapped, ready for dispatch to Rooibos Limited's customers around the world. The entire factory process meets strict HACCP specifications. Under supervision of ECOCERT, a portion of the total Rooibos production is organically grown, meeting EU, NOP and JAS standards. Kosher, halal and fair trade certified products are also available. Every stage of the production process is subject to careful monitoring and stringent quality control to ensure that the final product exceeds the customer's most exacting specifications. Regular upgrades at the Rooibos factory ensure that only the most technologically advanced equipment is utilized. An example of this is the flavor mixer, which enables the production of flavored Rooibos as well as the blending of herbal teas. Hot brewed liquid extracts, which are used to produce RTDs, are also available. Once the processed Rooibos has passed all the quality tests, it is ready for packing by local and international clients. Our sophisticated contract packing operation is highly mechanized, ensuring that the final packing of the product conforms to the most exacting specifications and requirements. Packed product in flat bags can be supplied either in pouches or in the finished packed form. Individually enveloped, double chamber string and tag bags are also available in retail or catering packs. Rooibos Limited is the supplier of choice to the world's leading brands. Rooibos Limited is the unrivaled industry leader in terms of quality control. Analytical tests are conducted in our well-equipped laboratory to determine moisture content, aroma, flavor and color. The product is monitored by the Perishable Products Export Control Board for bacteriological and microbiological content. Using sophisticated gas chromatographs, Rooibos Limited checks that chemical pesticide residues are well below the level set by the most stringent authorities. Rooibos is completely pure and natural. It is naturally caffeine-free, low in tannin, and is rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants fight free radicals which could cause cancer, heart disease, arthritis, and premature aging. Rooibos is processed in two ways, producing two distinctly different teas. The new green Rooibos is prepared in much the same way as the original fermented Rooibos, but without the fermentation process. Recent research has revealed that the unfermented green Rooibos contains even higher levels of antioxidants and anti-carcinogenic properties than traditional Rooibos. In its role as contributor to the development of the South African economy and its people, Rooibos Limited is involved in various economic and social upliftment programs for previously disadvantaged local communities. Honeybush is a delicious, thirst-quenching herbal tea with no caffeine and low levels of tannin. Honeybush grows in its natural state in the mountainous belt along the south coast of South Africa. Rooibos Limited harvests, cuts and dries the wild honeybush and then ships it to its main facility where it is processed and then distributed. In order to meet increased consumer demand both locally and internationally, Rooibos Limited is at the forefront of developing agricultural practices which are making the commercial cultivation of honeybush possible. Rooibos Limited has also expanded its operations into the extracts market. Set in the heart of South Africa's fruit farming region, close to the town of Woolsley in the Western Cape, Cape Bioceuticals was established in 2003 to meet increasing consumer demands for natural ingredients and extracts. The company makes use of the most modern and sophisticated technology to produce a variety of extracts, which include Rooibos, green Rooibos, honeybush, devil's claw, boudia, and red grape leaf extract. Prior to shipment, all exports are inspected and certified by the Perishable Products Export Control Board in accordance with the Agricultural Product Standards Act. Rooibos Limited's vision is to establish Rooibos, honeybush, and other unique African herbal products as worldwide winners. Through an extensive range of the highest quality products and services geared to meet customers' specific needs, exports are flourishing with phenomenal market growth being experienced in markets like Germany, Holland, Japan, China, the UK, USA, and Eastern Europe. Rooibos Limited, the preferred supplier since 1954.